Hi, and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a homemade chocolate cake, vegan style. Okay. All right, so for my flour, you can use all-purpose flour, you can use wheat flour, whatever you want to use, but I am using oat flour. I want to take a cake to church tomorrow, so I'm using 2 cups of oat flour. I'm going to put in about 2.5 and see. And you want to just blend them up to make flour. There we go. Doesn't take long at all to get this to be flour. Some people said that they ran low on flour when the pandemic first happened. And I thought, well, they can make oat flour out of oatmeal. And, but maybe some people didn't realize that. I don't know. There's 1 cup. There we go. And there's 2 cups. And then I already put a cup of sugar in here. So it's 2 cups of oatmeal flour or all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar so far. I set my timer to 350 on my oven, and I'm preheating the oven right now. You want a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa. I use no oil, so I'll be using applesauce, but there are recipes out there that you can use like vegetable oil or coconut oil, but I'm on a plant-based diet that uses no oil. So oil-free, plant-based diet. And then a cup of plant-based milk. So I'm using almond milk, but I have before take and put water, about 2 cups of water to 1 cup of oatmeal, and mix it up and then strain it, and you can make yourself some oat milk. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all the wet ingredients right into this pitcher that I have the cup of milk in. And then applesauce, you want about a half a cup of applesauce. So that's 1/4 and 1/4 of applesauce. And that's for your oil. And so mix all your wet ingredients together like so. And then mix into your dry ingredients. All right, so there you go. Chocolate cake is done. Very easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these mini sweet chips that I already shared with you where I get them from. They're Enjoy Life, and you can find them on Amazon, or you can find them in Walmart, or maybe at your local grocery store. I'm gonna go ahead and add the walnuts so that they can cook in the cake. That's how we like to do it. Now, that was about 5 walnuts. That's all you need. Some people go crazy on their foods, and then they add so many calories that you don't really need to add that much. Just walnuts like that. Perfect. And then I am going to use parchment paper in my cake pan. I learned this online, watching other YouTubers. Perfect way to get it to stay inside your cake pan. You crumble up the sheet first. And then I want to just pour it in. Okay, so that is my chocolate cake for tomorrow for church.
And this is what it looks like after it was done. It was so yummy and went fast.
Sometime I'll show you how I make my frosting. But you have a wonderful day. Bye.